Alright guys, welcome back. Day 2 here at Luxe Automotive. We're out front here, got the trusty 4Runner, about to go in, check on the install on our Mudbath Tacoma. So, excited to get a little more information and see what's happening, guys. Alright guys, we're here in the shop, mid-process, gonna do a little bit of a mini unveil here. So, like I mentioned, this is the PPF, and it looks just incredible. So this is the LLumar Matte PPF coming over the Mudbath gloss. You can see kind of the difference here between obviously where we're starting on matte and from the gloss. Just incredible. Obviously, love the thought of the protection, but it doesn't hurt. That just looks incredible as well. So this side's got a little more of the matte on there. Hood, up to the pillars here, and then this whole door. This backside is complete. So we're gonna show a little bit of install here as we kind of get. Obviously, we've got the hood ring to trim. We're gonna get into it here. Alright guys, we're back in the shop here doing a little bit of trimming on the hood here. I've got Alden, master here at Luxe. Share us a little bit about LLumar. Obviously you guys are exclusive with them.
That's right. Yeah, we are, and we decided to go with LLumar Paint Protection Film, LLumar Tint, because of ultimately the top quality of it. What I've seen in the entire market as far as paint protection film goes, LLumar has the best quality as far as optical clarity goes. It is the most durable film that I've seen. It is one of the easier to work with, so the installers actually really like it quite a bit.
It's great.
I mean, LLumar has been fantastic to work with. Anytime there's been any kind of questions, they are very quick to help answer questions, troubleshoot things. The support side of things has been awesome from the business side of, of laying film and running a business like we run here. Yeah. But it's the best product that we could find for our clients. The way that they back up and stand up behind their warranty gives customers peace of mind. They're getting the best protection that's available. The different film options that they have give clients and our customers quite a bit of flexibility as far as what they want on their car, what is going to make the most sense for their budget, their price, the lifestyle, how they use their cars. Obviously, you've got a Tundra, sure you're going to be trailing it, which is why we're doing a full body on it, because it's going to help protect against all those trees and brushes and rocks and everything that's going to be brushing up against the paint, on the trails. It comes with a 10-year manufacturer warranty, and they back up that all the way through. If anything ever happens to the film, LLumar is super easy to work with to just get film taken care of, help us be able to take care of our technicians, and help our clients make sure that their cars stay looking and being protected as long as possible.
Any issues with, 10-year warranty, 10-year lifespan, any issues with removing? Because eventually, maybe we want to do a color or something different, but...
Yeah, and that happens, a panel's going to get worn out, you're going to get some scratches in it, you want it freshened up. I haven't seen any issues getting LLumar off of paint. It is pretty easy to work with. It comes off nicely. I've worked with removal of other films and leave adhesive behind, or they really bond into the paint too much. And LLumar has been really great to work with in that, so that, if you brush your bumper against the wall, which has happened, and it scratches through the PPF, does a great job of protecting the paint. But you want to look nice and get that film taken off and reinstalled. It comes off as easy as it gets put back on.
Just out of curiosity, obviously we're doing the matte on this just because with the Mudbath thought it would look incredible. Percentage of vehicles matte versus gloss. Honestly, not right or wrong, but
with our clientele, it's probably somewhere around a 70-30 gloss and matte.
Okay.
Matte is definitely popping off. right now. It gives you a lot of that customability and uniqueness in a vehicle.
Yeah.
Where you can go get, you know, your stock color from any of the manufacturers and then make it a bit more yours, a bit more unique with the matte finish. Matte has been a really popular option on all sorts of different colors, and what it does in the body lines and the sunlight, it makes the car just entirely different than gloss. It really just changes the entire look and finish of the car. And you get that same quality, that same protection with the matte or the gloss film. It's really great stuff.
And I mean, I love the look of it in this light, but can't wait to get it out into the sun where
It'll look even better out in the sunlight. Just has a way of popping those body lines just different than anything you can do as far as shop lighting inside. And it is crazy the way that it just glows and shimmers in the sun. I think it is just the coolest look. My favorite color right now is matte silver.
Oh, cool.
Silver with the matte film on it is my favorite color. And I love when we get to do that. It's fun doing matte projects because the gloss projects, it looks the same when it comes in as when it leaves. And you really get to see the transformation of a gloss car come in and transform into that matte finish. It's really fun to actually see the difference you know, in an invisible. I mean, what we do, the goal is it's invisible. You cannot tell that it's on the car. And that's what we provide every day to all of our clients, is the best, most invisible installation possible. You know, no debris, no work lines, no silvering. And Lumar is the film that we've chosen to be the best quality, the best clarity. You know, it glossens up the gloss film. It's crazy the way that LLumar Paint Protection Film, it does almost what our like level 2 paint correction does, with cleaning up the scratches and just really gives the paint a fresh finish. It's incredible.
Now, I'm sure you probably, I mean, you all do professional installs. What would you say to someone that's like, hey, I want to DIY this on PPF? I mean, is it possible?
I mean, have fun. You can get film on a car. It depends on how you want it to look. If you want it invisible, I mean, this guy's been installing for 6 years.
This is
got
crazy.
Thousands of cars. And it's probably been, since 2 years ago that it starts to click and it really just starts to get easy. It is not as easy as it looks to get that invisible finish. I would always recommend have a professional.
Your first install is never going to be one that stays on the car.
When we bring on a new installer, or we're bringing up one of my younger guys in the shop and bringing them into PPF, it's 6 months of just panel after panel after panel after panel, doing the same thing over and over again, and almost never having something that is sellable, because it just takes the time. You're really doing art on these cars. To have it be invisible, it takes that skill level. It is not something that you can just pop up in your garage. I mean, the way we have the shop set up, the filtration system, and the water that we use, and the air that's pumped through the building to keep contaminants and dirt, dust, debris down, it's just not something you're set up in your garage. I would definitely recommend have a professional, have someone like us come down and have us do it. We are passionate about protecting your cars and making them look as good as possible. We've been doing it for 14 years, and we're going to keep doing it for as long as is possible.
Similarly, just while we're on it, you all work with their tint side of things as well. Obviously, a lot of different tint options. Why? Obviously, you're exclusive on the tint as well.
We are. All of the tint that we install is LLumar tint, and it's really a lot of the same reasons that we've chosen their PPF. One, it's the company backing, the warranty on it, the heat rejection, the optical clarity, the percentage options that you get with LLumar tint just are the best on the market. Our top of the line, their Stratus tint line, gives you 99% heat rejection. Your car can go sit in the sun in the parking lot all day, and you get in and it's warm, but it's not baking most of the time when you go get in your car. And they have a great product offering that gives you their bottom entry level ceramic tint, gives you really excellent heat rejection at a very affordable price. And if you want the absolute Mac Daddy, you get 99% heat rejection, 99% UV rejection. There's no need to be wearing sunscreen when you're rolling down in the middle of summer and that left arm is getting sunburned. And it's the best optical clarity that I've seen on the market. If you look through it, I mean, the amount of light that it blocks from the outside and the amount of visibility you have from the inside out is just unmatched.
Yeah.
Yeah, truly unmatched.
Did we do the Mac Daddy on this tint? I don't remember.
Yes, we did.
Okay.
Yes, we did.
So
It's got a full Lumar Stratus, a Formula One tint on it. So you've got 99% heat rejection, got lifetime warranty with the tint. I mean, it's the best that it is.
So something to do. We'll do a little follow-up on here now that we're entering the summer months. Do we really feel the difference in some of the heat? I'm sure we will. I mean,
oh yeah,
it's pretty incredible.
It's crazy. Like you roll down your window and all of a sudden you can just feel the heat coming through. It's wild. I used to have my old car didn't have any tint on it, and the AC was kind of going out. I got it tinted, and suddenly the AC is frigid inside. It blew my mind. Absolutely blew my mind how cold the AC got just by adding tint to it, not doing anything to the AC system in the car.
Yeah, pretty incredible. But we're gonna film a little bit more of some of the install process here, kind of what they go through to make sure this goes on right, and then later we'll have obviously this. We're going to do the black top hat here, which will look kind of a nice little accent to us. So we'll cover some of that here. So, anyways, thanks for your expertise, man. This is awesome.
Yeah, thanks for trusting us at Luxe Automotive to take care of your car.
Pretty cool.
It's going to turn out absolutely immaculate.
We're pumped. It's gonna be awesome.